I give them like an hour to watch or something.
Would I make them too long? Nobody watches them. Like, I made a short, and it got 2,000 views. Oh crap.
Not everybody in the world's gonna see it, you know?
I know. But nobody, my viewers don't like my long videos.
360. Yeah.
No, I'm stuck.
I think your problem is they don't like you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They hate me. I'm too cringy.
Teehee. Guys, do not unsubscribe or unlike. Like, I love you all. Please don't do anything with that. Please don't mess me up. For a second, I thought I won. Nice.
No. Yes!
No, I fell. Yes! I didn't fall there.
I was one shot with anything. I had 2 health. I was trying to make it that way, and I did. That's the only reason I won. I would have won if I didn't get to it in time. Or kill me. Because I was literally one shot. Oh crap! Did I damage you?
I'm not talking to you until I win. No! I was not allowed to lose. Nope. Told you I was not allowed to lose. It's called editing. You know what that is? No, apparently not. Or you wouldn't know when I was coming. So, let's get
I hate low life. Not literally.
The only thing I really like about you is, well, not the only thing, but like, is that you're not like Caden. Like you just overreact about things too much. You don't.
I suck.
The only thing I hate about you is that you suck at Fortnite.
Yeah,
Just kidding. You're pretty good.
Nah, you can beat me. You can say that.
Did you heal or something?
No, I still have 30 health.
Oh. But I did 34 damage. You know what? I'm not gonna emote because that was a. Oh, like as I say, I'm not gonna emote because that was a good game, which means GG. Oh.
Yeah, what do you mean?
GG also stands for grandma.
What?
A lot of people call their grandma GG. My GG, I call her grandma. That was a good grandma. That sounds weird. I am. No. No!
I did it.
What was I thinking?
Yo, you should have healed.
I did! And it didn't heal me!
My shot did 97 damage.
I'm going with P mode on you again.
Please.
Great, and I also got charged. Nice. Where are you? No! No, I shot it! Are you kidding me?
Oh,
You freaking hacker! What do you want,
Yo,
Quinn?
I was a one shot. I was
Go.
literally
You can
one
mess with my
shot
drone, I
away.
don't care if you want.
What?
I'm talking to my older brother.
I thought you something.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, dude, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. do that? How do you even know how I'm editing it?
I
Yeah.
didn't. I accidentally shot.
Yeah. A little bit, yes.
I didn't.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oof, can't get me. Ow. Ha, you fell for it. And I know you did. How did that not hit you?
You almost did. Almost did. No, I'm coming to you.
I'm healing. That's what I'm doing.
I just took so much damage. You know what? I'm gonna go heal. Run. Yeah,
Run.
let's
Do
go.
do 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 do. You asked Gmod for some help? Really? 100. I'm just kidding. I did 100 only. It's called a golden hunting rifle right there.
I suck.
You do. Let's start. Let's get together. I should change the weather. Guys, just so you know, this video might be long because, like, I'm not going to end the video until I level up.
I only watched it halfway through because, well, it's a long
Yeah.
video.
It is. But I don't care. I don't care about them. I'm just kidding, guys. I love you all.
But that's technically just keep. That's keep. Oh crap! No! Oh crap! Oh my god!
You know this? I got a hop flopper. Yeah, I got a double barrel too. I ate a hop flopper and I got a jetpack. Yes. You thought you could fall too, eh? Well, guess what? You can't. Without taking fall damage, at least. No, I gotta reload again. Nice.
I don't have any shot. Oh crap! I'm
What? Well, give me my Pokemon. I know.
Wanna know the worst way to humiliate someone? Locking them into the storm and
Yeah.
leaving them with no way out. Yeah. I don't know what I was going for.
I get it. 360.
360s aren't allowed here.
You suck. You wasted both. Well, not one, but like, you got me with one because I underestimated you for a second. Should never underestimate you. Well, sometimes you could. Sometimes people can underestimate you. And they would be fine.
Sometimes people overestimate me. Like they expect me
Yeah,
to
they
be
shouldn't.
good, and then I just die to them.
Let's go. Jump. Emote. That was not a GG. I won fair and square. Why are you heavy breathing? You don't like the sound of that, do you? Boomy. Boom boom chikalaka boom boom. Wait, that was yours? Haha.
Yeah.
Oh no. I let you escape. Oh, not anymore. Oh, don't even know how he emoted. You know what? I guess I'll end the video. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the long. How long was this?
I
Like
hope
30
you
minutes or
guys-
so.
I hope his viewers enjoy him just killing me over and over repeatedly.
Yeah. And I hope you guys had a great Christmas if that's the day whenever you
Oh,
guys are
yeah.
watching this. So,
Or
have-
unless it's the day after that you get it posts.
just have fun with the presents. Alright, bye.
Oh,
Ooh,
that
God.
was lucky. I did.
That was close. We're both just healing. And guess what? I'm done.
Yes.
What? How did you not die? I
I-
tagged you 35 earlier, and then you healed just a little bit. Wait, no, I tagged you more
I
than
healed
that.
to
And then I did
100.
111. No way.
Yeah.
I
had-
what? My battery's about to 9 out. Okay.
Oh, you playing on laptop?
Yeah.
Oh.
A little cold. Your farts are a little
I
cold.
hate this. You wanna play Roblox later?
We don't have each other's friends. Wait, you could tell me a username, and then I could put that down. Well, not write it down, but like put it in
Wait,
my
what's your
Roblox thing.
channel? What's your channel?
I don't know. I'll have to check that later.
Okay.
I don't even know
Tell
it.
me what time we're gonna be on. Like you're gonna be on again. Because I might go and play Roblox again later if you can get off.
Okay, I tagged you 19 just a second ago. I know it. Okay, at least now you're down south. Ooh, Jason's on Fortnite. Oh, why am I on my heel? No! Oh, are you kidding me? I literally spammed the build button and it did nothing.
Bum bum
What? I spammed it.
bum.
I literally spammed the wall button whenever I was on my build and it did absolutely nothing. God, gotta go. Boom, heal, hurry. Okay, that's fine. It's my wall. Ow. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? You know how I got into Roblox? Because I started a video and a lot of people said you should start making Roblox videos, and I asked them what's Roblox, and then they started telling me and I started logging in and all that kind of stuff. It was and I friended this dude in Roblox too because like he was super nice
I got
to.
inspired by many YouTubers and I started
Guy,
you know
YouTuber. You actually would walk down the death hall. You're not gonna last very long in there. It's called. What? It won't let me emote anymore. I've played too many rounds. You know, I'm taking my slipper off. It's weird having one slipper on.
You want to play Bilbo?
No, I still want to play this. It's called practice. Because I'm not that good at this. I'm not so used to this. Kind of trying to get used to it, you know?
Emote on everything.
Yeah, I don't know if that would work. Because a lot of people are really good on PC, and you know it.
Yeah, including
So
me,
it would be
'cause
all
I
PC
used-
players.
But except on
60.
Fortnite.
Nope, nope. Oh no, you tagged me once. That's bad. That's a bad sign. That means you're turning good.
It's time for me to step on the gas.
Hey.
Gas.
No. Hey Gwen, are you charging it?
Gas.
You're just building randomly, yo.
Yo, I'm 1 HP.
Oh, thanks for telling me that. No, I'm at 17 and you just healed. Oh no. Oh, I got you 88. Let's go. And it won't let me emote anymore, so I'm gonna practice a little bit more. I'm gonna practice a little bit more because I'm not so used to all the buttons, you know.
Why do I have this so much red?
Huh?
Let me get to level 60. You want
Dude,
my 12?
yeah, sure, dude. But you know how I'm killing you?
How?
Cause like whenever you almost kill me, I just press random buttons.
Oh, like.
Yeah, cause cause I'm not used to the buttons yet.
Oh. Yeah, I used to do that when remember when you were on Nintendo when I had to play on PC?
Yeah. Where's
Well, I'm
Come on,
practically used to
reload
this
everything.
now.
Thank you for letting me heal. It was so stupid of you, but okay. It's making me build out of steel because I ran out of mats earlier.
Oh crap!
Yay. I just watched you fall right there. Just that little corner I had to see that. Man, we played 40 rounds. It feels like 50, 100. Woo.
It feels like 5,002,300.
I got the. Why do I keep getting the same shotgun? I swear. Please be. a
Hey,
different one.
dude, you're
Okay,
gonna
it's-
die this round. Oh crap! Never mind.
What is that? Pumpkin launcher? Nice.
No, since you tried to spray me with Chimera, I will kill you with Chimera next time I get it.
No. Can you tell I'm just pressing random buttons?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just.
Oh crap! No, I have to reload.
I'm gonna reload. Yeah. No! Are you kidding me? That's what, you know what? This is what you get for hacking.
Oh wait, what? That doesn't even hurt my game. I won't kill you. Because you're still getting.
There, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
You can still hear me. There it goes.
Hurting your mic.
I know. I almost did. Wait, no, hold on. I pressed the button on accident on stairs. Oh, let me try to fix it. Okay, I'm ready.
I'm gonna go look for another shotgun. See ya.
How about that shotgun, eh? Oh, that's why. You quit what? Fortnite or just on PC?
I quit.
91. Quit what? I'm so confused. What are you quitting? Tell me what you're quitting. What?
I'm just kidding.
I actually did that once.
Wait, what?
I made a video of me saying that I'm done with Roblox YouTube. So I was done. No, not anymore. I'm back. I'm back from that doom. Why do I keep getting golden assaults from this stupid flopper? Okay, bam. What's this? Bravado? No thanks. What are you shooting down? Oh, you trying to get me? Huh? Is that what you're trying to do?
Oh, that was yours? Oh crap, I'm just trapping.
You're making it so weird. No! No!
Yay.
Why am I in this pose? What am I doing?
Alright, that's the end of this. Goodbye.
No, it isn't. No! I'm just kidding. You can do whatever you want.
And it's ended.
I thought you ended it earlier, though. What? Oh, yes, sir. Okay, I back spray with this. Ooh. Got him. Let's just take that. Yo, wow. I'm not that stupid. Jeez, man. Okay, I'll be there in a minute. I'm gonna finish this one match. Yo, leave me alone. I gotta go after this. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, I have to eat dinner. Bye.
Okay. Dane sucks. Lol. I just can't. Stop.